Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm gonna share with you a short book haul. So I recently went to the Hong Kong Book Fair here in Hong Kong. So every year there's a book fair in the month of July from 16 to 22nd. So I went there and I got some of the books. Every year I go there and buy some of the books that I really wanted to buy. So let me share with you what I got for myself. So first of all, I got the book 2 and book 3 in a series which is known as Once Upon a Broken Heart by Stephanie Garber. The first book I have with me, and I got the second and third book. So the second book is called The Ballad of Never After, and the third book is called A Curse for True Love. I know the covers are different from the first book that I have, but I do not care about the cover. I only wanted to read the book and enjoy the book, and I was getting it on a quite discount, so I bought that. Apart from this, I also bought two Japanese books which are quite famous. So the first one is this one, Before the Coffee Gets Cold. This is a very famous book. It's a series of I think 4 or 5 books, but this one is the best by far. And I also got another book which is The Cat Who Saved the Books. This is also a very famous book and it's an international bestseller. I have read so many good and positive reviews about this book, so I got this one as well. Then I also got literary fiction. So this year I wanted to read some literary fictions, so I got 4 of them. This is by Collins Classic, and this one I got for $100 for 4 books, so 25 each, which is quite cheaper if you compare the prices in Hong Kong bookstores. So the first one is Oliver Twist by Charles Dickens. Then I got 2 William Shakespeare's books. So first one is the Romeo and the Juliet, and the second one is Othello. So this one, there's a Hindi movie made on this book, and after seeing the movie I wanted to read this one for quite a lot of years, so I got this one. So these are the next, and the last one is the world famous Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. So I will read these books this year. I hope I can read all 4 of them this year. Then I also got a non-fiction book which is Dopamine Nation, which is quite famous, and I wanted to see if I can read and implement some good things in my life as well. Then last but not the least, I got a manga series. This is the Spy Family 1, 2 and 3 book. When I went to Japan, I was very interested in manga and I saw a lot of Spy Family series and movies. So I got this one. So yeah, this is all the books that I got. If you live in Hong Kong and you want to buy books, you can surely check out the Hong Kong Book Fair in Wan Chai. It's held from 16 to 22nd of July. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye guys.